In some words, EA makes a long E sound, like in the words see, s, e, see. Each, beach, or dr, e, dream. In some words, EA makes a short vowel sound eh, like in bread, br, eh, d, bread, eh, d, head, health, health. Can you find some more words with the long and short E sounds and write them in the comment?